The OpenBSD project maintains an Emacs-like editor called MG. So it only implements a subset of the features of GNU Emacs, but in return it's quite efficient and fast. What I'd like to do is run a little contrived test to compare the implementation of macros in GNU Emacs and MG. So I have two quite large CSV files, and we can see that they're identical. And let's first open one in MG. So we go down to the bottom, we can see there's 3,870 lines, and I know that there's just over 1,450 columns. So let's define a simple macro. So I'm just going to start from the beginning of the line, go to the end, add a comma, go down, and go to the beginning and finish defining the macro. And so for the remaining 3,869 lines, I'm going to run the macro. So Control U, 3869, Control X, E, and almost instantaneously we have our commas at the end of all the lines. Okay, so no, we don't want to save that. So let's do the same in GNU Emacs. Okay, so we have the same CSV file. Let's go to the bottom. The first thing I notice is that GNU Emacs struggles a little bit with the file. It gives up on the line count here, but let's continue. So I'm going to start defining the macro. I'm going to go to the end of the line, I'm going to add a comma, go down, go to the beginning of the line, and finish defining the macro. Now I'm going to hit Control U, 3869, Control X, E. And we get the little watch saying that some work's going on in the background. So I let this go for almost 10 minutes and it still didn't complete. So I'm just going to cancel it. So Control G, and it tells us down here that it actually only completed 26 of the macros. So something's obviously quite different in the implementations between GNU Emacs and MG.